So let's look at kind of the markets, how they are going. This is the DXY, or we call the dollar index, and as you can see, just did break below this very good rising channel, or you can call it an ending diagonal, or a rising wedge, and you can see markets are really going down for the dollar. And yeah, this is the main reason as to why the dollar did fall yesterday. Technically, the DXY just made a big break right here. The candle you see right here broke out, okay, yesterday, and of course we did have retests, and yeah, I did retest properly, and the bears did take control again. And now for the rebound, I'm looking at this level right here, okay, about 91.84. Reason being, you can find support there, and then there is also this very good support that gave us all this rally upwards, okay. And then you can as well see a bit of consolidation within here, okay. Price getting hard to break out until it did break and gave us a bullish rally, okay. And then also the level being able to block this move downwards is also a possibility that the level is strong. That's what I'm expecting, is we could see DXY possibly rising into these levels there, if possibly we can get a dollar getting bullish, okay. And then when you look at a pound USD, of course been strong for a week, right there, having a strong pound and then a weak dollar, of course. Yeah, that's something very good for a pound. Okay, right now it is resting at a level that is, I think, is strong. If you look at these swings right there being rejected or being influenced, okay, you can find a very good level. Then we see this trend line that is also, in addition, giving us a good resistance, okay. So apparently we are seeing a price rejecting right below the trend line, and if we can get good bearish candles below this kind of formation, okay, we are seeing there hanging man, okay, a pin bar and inside. But if we can get below this, okay, we need to get below this formation here so that we could see prices move lower there, okay, to about 1.38991, and then if we can go below that, then we can target 1.38327. Of course, me, I'm bearish to this level. This is where I'll be looking for a buy, of course, back into the highs, okay. Then also, if we look at gold is we did have a break yesterday of this double bottoms neckline right here, okay. This level has been holding for quite a long time, and as you could see yesterday, we did have finally a level to push us up, okay. So we have also this kind of peanut or falling wedge that was broken, and apparently price is right below a very good level here, very good resistance level, okay. So if we could see some bearish momentum, if we can at least get some candles closing below this level, at least bearish candles, and of course we'll have a target of this level right here, right there, and maybe we could have another target right here. I would personally also be buying within this level if at all I can get market down to that level, okay. And then if we can see on the pound JPY, yeah, this I think I highlighted it yesterday with some people. We have a very good level here that is acting as supply. We have demand right here. We have a couple of demand there and supply right here, and then prices of course respecting our level, obviously with respecting the upper trend line of the rising channel, and we're seeing markets are going down there. Okay, so this level right here, if we can get price go below this level right here, of course it's going to hold, but we need to see that price gets below so that we could get lower to this level. Okay, so for those who sold earlier, you have to protect your profits, because the pound being strong, we could see markets go back. But then my main target is this level right here at 152.57. okay, so if you can get back into these levels, it will be a good thing for the bears. Okay guys, thank you so much. I think that's it. Or another one I can show you is pound CHF having a break of this consolidation. We can see kind of a head and shoulders pattern. I'm looking to buy at around 0.9042. okay, if we can get bears go up to here. Okay, I'm looking to buy there if at least we could get some bears go to this level, and then we'll have a target back onto this neckline right here. Alright, thank you very much. I wish you have a good